be making shake and bake. Original chicken.
Yum. Shake and bake is awesome because if you use boneless chicken, it only takes 20 minutes to make. This is called Temptations. It's beautiful and you can bake with it. So here we have a bowl of what?
Water.
Water.
What's it like a black ink? What is that?
Extra protein. A little speck of something. So we have...
Are we going to put that in our food?
We are going to just dunk it for a bath. Because you want to get the chicken all lubed up with some water. Because we are going to put it in a bag of crumbles. So, here, Shake and Bake comes with 2 packets and 2 bags. And this is our dunking bag.
Yes.
The torture.
You open that dunking bag, and we're going to take this chicken. These are chicken tenderloins by Just Bear, and you can get this on Amazon Fresh. Can you move the dunking bag close so that I can put it right in? Open it up, because uncooked chicken is not good for your fingers. Okay, so now you're going to
shake it.
Yeah. Now this you could serve with French fries, with mashed potatoes. You could eat it by itself.
Barbecue sauce, maybe?
Oh yeah, we are definitely going to be using barbecue sauce.
I'm not hungry.
Ranch dipping sauce. Mommy is.
I already had B-I-N-N-E-R.
You could also.
If you know what that spells, comment down below. Bacon on top of butter. Please like and subscribe, and check out my website. It'll bring you to other Foodio's Kitchen sites. So it's www.foodioskitchen.com. No apostrophe. And yep. So bye-bye, people. Hasta la taco. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. And Happy New Year!